Minnesota's roads are vital for our economy and connecting communities, but they face challenges from both weather and vehicle loads. Understanding how weight and weather affect roads is crucial for everyone, especially the engineers, haulers, and lawmakers.
As a local elected official, I recognize the crucial role of well-maintained roads in ensuring efficient transportation of goods and services to market. I also know that road construction costs are not going down, and county boards typically face budgeting challenges in order to keep our roads safe and operational.
Minnesota's roads are subject to a variety of climate changes throughout the year. Because of this, roads must be designed to withstand the punches that Mother Nature throws at them. Roads are designed as a system, primarily consisting of a subgrade, base, and surface layer. The subgrade consists of the underlying material, which is typically clay. The base materials are typically aggregates or gravel. The top surface is usually asphalt or concrete on roads with heavier traffic volumes. On lower use roads, the top surface is primarily gravel. Sometimes the subgrade or base materials are injected with stabilizing agents to increase strength. This whole system must act together to distribute the weight of the loads on it effectively.
Engineers consider a lot of factors. We have design charts and state standards that we follow, but with our limited resources, we really need to work at coming up with an economical pavement section that works for us.
Engineers must also contend with existing roads that are not up to current standards.
Many of our older county roads were designed to a 7-ton or a 9-ton strength, but today's standards is a 10-ton. Plus our gravel roads were never designed to any kind of strength standards, and we are dealing with poor subgrade materials and thin gravel thicknesses out there, and we're still dealing with those same 10-ton loads on those roads.
The most problematic time of year for Minnesota roads is during the spring. When the frozen subgrade and base begin to thaw, the pavement section has minimal strength and is most susceptible to damage. Heavy commercial vehicles can accelerate road damage, leading to cracks, potholes, and costly premature road repairs. To mitigate pavement damage, Minnesota annually implements spring load restrictions on the entire road network, which by law requires haulers to reduce axle loads, thus reducing pavement damage.
Overweight trucks are harder to stop and control, posing a greater risk to everyone on the road. They also cause more wear and tear on our infrastructure, leading to increased maintenance costs for taxpayers and a shorter lifespan for our roads. That's why spring load restrictions are significant for Minnesota.
Our highway department staff monitor our roads and post axle weight limits as conditions warrant. By state law, unless otherwise posted, all paved roads are 10-ton per axle roads, and all gravel surface roads are 5-ton per axle roads during spring load restrictions.
Although industry occasionally requests certain weight-related exemptions for certain commodities or situations, spring road restrictions in Minnesota are vital.
Spring load restrictions annually prevent millions of dollars of damage to our roads. Most townships get over 95% of their revenue from taxes on their residents, so voluntary compliance with low limits is important to keep taxes lower.
The Minnesota truckweight program was initially developed years ago due to the fact that Minnesota truckweight laws can be very complex and are sometimes confusing. Over the years, the Minnesota Truckweight Education Program has educated thousands of private carriers, contractors, private haulers, and local government officials with the goal of helping them understand how to transport their loads legally and safely, which in turn will extend the life of Minnesota's roads.
Across Minnesota, state troopers, commercial vehicle inspectors, and our allied agencies all play a key role in the enforcement of our state weight laws within the trucking industry, whether it's at a fixed scale site or out on the road using portable scales. The mission is the same: keeping the public safe and preserving the investment we've all made into our roadways. Too often, enforcement is reactive when a carrier is already out of compliance. This is why education is so important. By helping drivers and carriers understand Minnesota weight laws, we can prevent violations before they happen. These laws can be complex, covering axle, tandem, bridge, and tire weight limits. So clear guidance and outreach are essential.
We enrolled in the mnltap, Minnesota Truckweight Education Program, to make sure our drivers knew the legal laws that are sometimes confusing here in Minnesota.
At the end of the day, we all share the same goal. working together through education and enforcement to make Minnesota roads safer and last longer for everyone.
The Minnesota Truckweight Education Program provides one-day workshops to the private and public sectors all across Minnesota. It promotes voluntary compliance to reduce damage to public roads and highways from overweight vehicles. To learn more about this unique workshop and other useful truckweight education tools, visit the Minnesota Local Technical Assistance Program website. We're here to help you master truckweight laws and protect our roads. Together, we can extend the life of our roads and improve road safety.